Hello everyone and welcome back. So today we're doing a two-part gem. The first part I'm going to show you the it's not a it's a pattern that goes under it that I did quite a while back, but I never really showed anybody how to do it. And then the second part will be showing you how to just sort of input that into a clear gem basically and make it look really, really awesome. So, first part is we're going to draw. And to draw out the pattern, it's pretty simple. So we're going to start with a small square. If you cannot draw a freehand small square, that's totally cool. It does not have to be perfect. Promise. Okay? And then we're going to divide it into 4 little quadrants. And then our quadrants are going to be connected like so, point to point, and then we're going to have a small X in the middle, like that, and then at the edge of each X, we're going to connect it at the point. Okay, so you're going to connect this up here, and then at this point, we're going to connect it out here. We're going to connect this one out here. I didn't connect that one real well. And then we're going to have half, going to come out halfway from each of these corners. And these will also connect to your points. Just like that. Okay? Now the fun comes when we start doing this shading so that it looks really three-dimensional, which is cool. So, the first shading part is really dark, so I'm going to switch to cold gray, because I'm going to do the gem later on in black, so I'm going to do this just in grays. So, the dark shading that we're going to do is on the left side of the middle. And it's going to be this one. Oop, I pushed too hard. My bad. There's good and bad parts to my new sharpener. And the bottom one. And then this half up here. Basically, our light source is coming from, it's coming from over here, I think. I don't know. Can't really tell you where a light source is. I just know how to color this thing. I have to really think about it. Light source is kind of coming from over here, I think. Coming this way. Maybe. Anyway, this one gets shaded in as well. And then we're going to do this side over here. And these are just all going to be dark. The same shade. And then also this other half down here. Okay. Now, I'm going to go back to my light gray. This one is, by the way, cold gray number 4. And this is 6. Yeah. And then this shading goes right here at the top. And right here. Like that. Just like that. Yeah, I definitely have to work this all out because some of this, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Anyway, so that's the basics of the shading. You can definitely go in and shade other parts of it if you want to. Maybe put a color in there, or anything else you would want to do. Like if you want to do a real light shading of this, I think you could. But if you did that one, would you have to do that one too? Questions, questions. Yeah, I kind of like that. We'll do that. All right. So, got this one is our, like a mid-gray. This one is a mid-gray. Then we'll have these as like lighter grays. Okay? Okay. So, now that we have that, what we're going to do is we're going to repeat it a couple of times, basically. And you can put up like 4 quadrants together, and that's the basic for the pattern that we're going to put under the gem. Okay? Okay. So, we're going to repeat this, then go on to the gem. So I'm not going to make you guys watch me do that a whole bunch more times because that would be ridiculous. So give me just a moment. There we go, all colored now. While I was coloring it, I realized like how confusing it started to get. So I just sort of centered on each of the quadrants so that I could figure out, and doing it the same way each time. So coloring down, down, and then this one, and then this one, and then going on to these. That kind of helped me keep track of it as long as I stayed in one spot at a time and just colored like the original one. If you're like me, I get easily distracted like that. So if that helps, I hope so. I'm gonna go right to the next video where we're gonna do a gem on top of it as well as the gem by itself, so that you can see both of them. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.